Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to animate a character from an audio file online.
First up, open your browser and go to 11lobs.io, and here you just need to type the text, and you just have to select the character that you want to use to your audio. So just click on the download audio, or you can basically play. For example, this one here.
Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to animate a character from an audio file online.
Now, if you're okay this one, just need to click on download and click save. And once done, you're gonna go here on add a new tab, search for adobe.com/express. And then press enter on your keyboard and you will be directly go to this page. So as you can see, the main page of adobe.com. So here you have an options here to basically create a cartoon character using an audio file. So what you're going to do here, just need to select that quick actions tab right there at the top and go and tap on animate from audio. Once you click on this one, then here you want to go and click on start now. And then you'll be taken into this page, right? So basically here on this page, you can animate from audio. So you just have to record your own audio, or you can browse and upload that downloaded file. So first up, you can just select any character that you want. So for example, you want a character like this one, and then you can also change the background from here. So as you can see, and then once the background is selected, so for example here, and then going back to this background, so you have a bunch of selection. So in this case, I'm going to select a background here, basically like this. And then we can change the character into this one, all right? You can see here, and then you can change the size. So basically, I want this landscape style, and then we can just record your own voice. So basically, you can start recording your own voice like this, or you can just basically upload the audio file that we have just created from 11 Labs. So all you need to do is click on the browse button and then select the audio file. Then we just have to wait until it's done uploading the audio file to this cartoon character. Now we can play this animated character.
Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to animate a character from an audio file online.
Right, so there you have it. Now we can download this one. So basically, if you want to download this file or this video, just have to sign up with your email to create an account on Adobe Express. Now, once you sign up, then you can now basically download this file.
That's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you on the next video.